How can you add using different strategies? What are some strategies you could use to find 66 plus 25? You could use compensation, or you could break apart the addends into tens and ones. Let's try both ways. One way to solve the problem is by breaking apart the addends. How can you break apart 25 into tens and ones?
Select your answer.
You can break apart 25 into two tens and five ones, or 20 plus 5. If we add two tens to 66, we get 86. Add 5 more and we get 91. Another way to solve the problem is to use compensation. If you add 5 to 25 to make 30, what do you have to do to 66?
Select your answer.
You subtract 5 from 66 to get 61. Then you can add 61 plus 30 to get 91. Remember that if you add 5 to one addend and subtract 5 from the other addend, the sum does not change. You saw two different ways to find the sum of 66 plus 25. Are both ways correct? Is one way better than the other? Both ways are correct. They both give the same sum, 91. Neither way is better than the other. Now you know how to add using two different strategies.